TNPSC Combined Statistics Services Exam Model Questions from Unit 1. Questions related to correlation, regression and curve fitting. Question number 1. What is the method used to determine the strength of the relationship between the x and y variables? The answer is correlation. Question number 2. What is the method used for establishing a mathematical relationship and predicting the value of the dependent variable for a given value of the independent variable? The answer is regression. Question number 3. To identify the relation between two variables, what visualization method is most preferred? The answer is scatter plot. Question number 4. If the plotted points in a scatter diagram lie from upper left to lower right, then the correlation is dash. The answer is negative. Question number 5. If the plotted points in a scatter diagram are evenly distributed, then the correlation is dash. The answer is 0. If the plotted points in a scatter diagram lie on a single line, then the correlation is dash. The answer is either positive or negative. Question number 7. The correlation between shoe size and the person's intelligence is dash. The answer is 0. Question number 8. Dash is used to find the correlation for linear relation. The answer is Pearson's correlation coefficient. Question number 9. Give the equation for Pearson's correlation coefficient. The answer is covariance of xy divided by sigma x into sigma y. Question number 10. Pearson's correlation coefficient is also known as dash. The answer is product moment correlation coefficient. Question number 11. If there is a very strong correlation between two variables, then the correlation coefficient must be dash. The answer is closer to -1 or +1. Question number 12. If the value of correlation coefficient is positive, then the points in a scatter diagram tend to cluster from dash to dash. The answer is from lower left to upper right. Question number 13. The ratio of the covariance between the variables to the product of their standard deviation is dash. The answer is Pearson's correlation coefficient. Question number 14. What are the limits of correlation coefficient? The answer is -1 and +1. Question number 15. If two variables have strong negative correlation, then what will be the correlation coefficient? The answer is values closer to -1. Question number 16. What regression equation is used to estimate the value of y given the values of x? The answer is regression equation of x on y, that is y is equal to x beta plus u. Question number 17. If the equation of the line of regression of y on x is with positive slope, then correlation coefficient is dash. The answer is positive. Note that slope negative implies negative correlation coefficient. Question number 18. Price and sale of the commodity have a dash correlation. The answer is negative. Question number 19. If both the variables change in the same direction, it is an indication of dash correlation. The answer is positive. Question number 20. The method applied for deriving the regression equation is known as dash. The answer is method of least squares. Question number 21. The difference between the observed value and the estimated value in regression analysis is known as dash. The answer is error or residue. Question number 22. Products of the regression coefficients must be numerically less than dash. The answer is unity. Question number 23. how would the regression coefficients be affected by a shift of origin? The answer is remains unchanged. Question number 24. The relationship between number of beers consumed, that is X variable, and the blood alcohol content Y variable was studied in 16 male college students by using least squares regression. The regression equation obtained from this study was y hat is equal to minus 0.0127 plus 0.0180 x. What is the percentage of increase in blood alcohol level for each beer consumed from the given equation? The answer is 1.8%. Next, based on the following information, answer the next 4 questions. In the given equations, in the given information, we have 2 variables x and y. The x values are 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11 and 14, and the y values are 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 9. Question number 25. Find the slope of the regression line for the 2 variables. The answer is 0.6364. Question number 26. What fraction of the variation in y is explained by the variable x? The answer is 0.957. Question number 27. Find the estimate of y when x is equal to 16 by using the regression line. The answer is 10.7278. Question number 28. Compute the standard error of the estimate given by the regression line. The answer is 0.6499. Question number 29. 2 variables x and y have the regression relationship y is equal to 5 plus 4x. Then the slope of the line is dash. The answer is 4. Question number 30. The principle of least square states that the sum of square of all points from the curve is dash. The answer is minimum. Question number 31. In the least square method, we use dash to find the value of unknowns. The answer is normal equations. Question number 32. Fit a straight line into the following data. In the data, we have 2 variables x and y. The values of x variable are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And the corresponding y values are 3, 6, 8, 11, 13 and 14. The answer is y is equal to 3.52 plus 2.26x. Question number 33. Fit a straight line y is equal to a plus bx into the given data and find the value of y when x is equal to 8. The given data has 2 variables x and y. The values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the values of y are 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. The answer is 45.2. Question number 34. Fit the quadratic equation y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c into the given data and find the value of y at x is equal to 6. In the given data, we have 2 variables x and y. The values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the values of y are 10, 12, 13, 16 and 19. The answer is 22.78.